Azure Virtual Desktop is most demanding technology of IT industry because nowadays each and every organization want to set up their infrastructure with the help of VDI solution. As we know that we have a number of method to set up our VDI environment, like with the help of VMware Horizon by using the Citrix Zen server or Windows Server operating system, we can set up our own VDI environment. But in this environment, you must need to use your hardware. Means you need to purchase high configuration based hardware, and over a hardware you need to install each and everything by manual, right? So in on-premises environment, you know very well about we need to perform lots of tasks. We need to hire multiple engineers who responsible to take care all the things like software and hardware. So that's why every organization want to set up their VDI environment with the help of Microsoft Azure portal, because Azure portal can give us access of AVD. This is Azure Virtual Desktop. And by using the Azure Virtual Desktop, we can establish our VDI solution for any organization or client. Over Azure portal, no need to involve any kind of resources, right? No need to utilize your on-premises hardware. Azure Virtual Desktop give us an option to set up each and every services that help us to configure virtual desktop interface. I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. I'm going to give you complete information about how to establish our Azure Virtual Desktop over a Microsoft Azure portal. I have up to 7 years of experience in VDI, up to 5 years of experience in Azure Virtual Desktop. I'm Microsoft certified trainer. I'm certified with Azure Virtual Desktop AZ-140. I'm certified with Azure Administrator AZ-104, and I have a much idea about virtualization like VMware vSphere. I'm certified with AWS Solution Architect. I have total 16 plus years of experience in IT industry and up to 8 years of experience in cloud and virtualization. So in this course, I'm going to give you my complete experience with you. The project that I did for multiple clients, I'll give you the information about the project. I'll give you the information about the real-time tickets that you need to resolve in case of handling our VDI environment. So this package will definitely help you to understand about how we can manage all the things related to Azure Virtual Desktop. So I'm going to follow the proper blueprint of Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop, which is 140, the certification code. I'll give you the complete practical by using our Azure portal. So as you know that over my YouTube channel, Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel, I have already provided multiple videos based on cloud technology, and entire videos are fully based on practical, because I never use any kind of PPT. Because you know that if you are on my YouTube channel, if you have already purchased my course, so definitely I understand about your value. I understand about the value of your time, right? So I'll definitely try to my level best. I'll give you the complete information with all practical and step-by-step guide. Let's try to understand about the content, those content I'm going to give you in this course. So definitely I'll follow the core content of Microsoft Azure. Like if you check on our Azure website, it will give you, not Azure, Microsoft website. Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop is basically categorized in 4 different modules. First, plan and implement an Azure Virtual Desktop infrastructure. Second module, which is plan and implement identity and security, which is correlated to Microsoft Intra ID. And third one is plan and implement user environments and application. Under the AVD, we are able to set up our user to access RDP, and you can also assign the user to access only application. The last part, which is really important for every AVD engineer, monitor and maintain an Azure Virtual Desktop interface. So these 4 different modules can help you to manage our VDI solution over a Microsoft Azure portal. So stay tuned with this course, and definitely I'll give you my level best. In next session, I'm going to give you the complete information about the backend of cloud services, means how cloud services can give us a portal, how they establish multiple data center in the backend. We'll also discuss about like types of cloud computing which are available. Thank you guys. We'll connect in next session. Take care. Bye bye.